Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to set your homepage in WordPress. WordPress offers two primary ways to display your site's front page, either a static page or your latest blog posts. A static page provides a consistent, unchanging welcome, perfect for business sites or portfolios. Conversely, displaying your latest posts is ideal for active blogs or news sites, ensuring fresh content is always visible. Understanding these options is the first step to customizing your site's initial impression. To begin, you will need to create two distinct pages within your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Pages and then Add New. Name one page Home and the other Blog for clarity. The Home page will serve as your static front page, while the blog page will display all your recent articles. You can add some placeholder content to your home page now, which you can always expand upon later. Next, let's configure your site's reading settings. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings and then click on Reading. Under the Your Homepage Displays section, select the option for a static page. From the drop-down menu labeled Homepage, choose the home page you just created. For the Posts page drop-down, select your blog page. This tells WordPress where to find your main content. Finally, remember to save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button at the bottom of the Reading Settings page. After saving, it is crucial to visit your website's front end to verify that your new static homepage is correctly displayed. Also, confirm that your blog posts are now appearing on the designated blog page. You can always revisit these settings if you decide to adjust your site's presentation in the future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.